Here's an email from Mara from Staten Island. What's the best way to clean laminate flooring? Well, Mara, the absolute best way to clean your floors is to get someone else to do it. But if you want to do it yourself, you've got some choices. Bona makes a hardwood floor cleaner that's fantastic. They also make a laminate floor cleaner. It's pH balanced, it won't streak, and if you use it with their microfiber mop, your floors are going to look great. Now, if you don't want to use any chemicals, there's a new product called eCloth, which just uses water. It's a highly refined microfiber mop, and just with the use of water, your floors are going to look fantastic. Here's an email from June Lee. What's the best way to clean grout in my shower? I've looked online, it says vinegar, baking soda, bleach, but I just can't seem to get the right answer. No matter what cleaner you choose to use, it's going to take some elbow grease. For me, it's Spick and Span. It's a tried and true cleaner that really does work. Mix it with some warm water, get a stiff nylon scrubbing brush, and start scrubbing back and forth, back and forth. Rinse it, repeat it, scrub a little bit more, and then rinse again, and that's it. Those grout lines should be nice and clean. Here's an email from Mike. About a year ago, we had a sliding glass door installed. During the installation, they had to use some super glue, and it dripped on our new engineered hardwood floor. We've tried everything to get it up, but it won't come off. Any suggestions? Mike, there is this new wonder product that's made out of Michigan called Superzilla. It's a lubricant and a cleaner, and it works amazingly well. Spray a little bit over the top of this super glue, let it sit there about 5 minutes, and use a plastic putty knife to just scrape it away. You're going to be amazed.